In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively clean up your Webflow project. Maintaining a clean and efficient project not only enhances your site's performance, but also makes it easier to manage in the long run. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to begin by opening Webflow and choosing the specific project you feel needs a little tidying up. Once you're in the project dashboard, you'll notice several options running along the left-hand side of your screen. For the task at hand, you'll want to focus on one particular element, the style selectors. This feature is central to maintaining a streamlined design and is where you'll be able to see all the class styles you've implemented. Carefully review your style selectors and decide which ones you no longer need. It's essential to be deliberate here. Ensure that any style you choose to remove really isn't in use anywhere on your site. As you hover your mouse over each style listed, you'll see a small trash bin icon appear beside it. Clicking this icon will remove the selected style from your current project. This step helps declutter your styles pane and reduces any unnecessary weight from unused classes. Next, take note of the upper part of your screen. Here, there's a cleanup icon, thoughtfully placed for easy access. Clicking this icon allows you to automatically clean up unused styles, achieving an even greater level of organization. Keep in mind, though, that this action will permanently delete these classes from your project, so it's wise to double-check their usage across your site before proceeding. Why is this step important? By removing these extraneous styles, you're making your CSS leaner and more efficient. It's akin to cleaning out a closet. Less clutter means more space and clarity, allowing you to navigate and update your design more effortlessly in the future. Once you've completed these steps and you're satisfied with how your project is looking, the final step is to publish your changes. Locate the Publish button, usually found towards the upper right corner of your workspace. Click it with confidence, knowing your Webflow project is now not only cleaner, but also more optimal, ready for your audience to enjoy a smooth and efficient experience. Maintaining the overall neatness of your Webflow projects is a crucial component of effective web design. With practice, these cleanup tasks will become second nature, helping you create beautiful, responsive websites that function seamlessly. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy designing.